Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of uninstalling the Pale Moon browser from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up the search menu. You can do that by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the search menu is open, simply type in Settings. Step 2. Great! The best match should be the Settings app. Go ahead and click on that to open it up. Inside the Settings window, you'll see various options. Look for Apps and click on it. Step 3. You're doing awesome! Now within the Apps section, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Click on Apps and Features to bring up the list of installed applications on the right side. Step 4. Almost there. Scroll through the list until you find Pale Moon, or you can type the app name in the search bar. Once you've spotted it, click on the app. Step 5. Now, a menu will pop up. You're really nailing it. Click on Uninstall from the menu. A confirmation window will appear, letting you know that all related info will be removed. No worries, just click Uninstall. Step 6. After this, click on the Next button, and then click on the Uninstall button. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Pale Moon browser. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.